So guys, here we go. This is how this stuff functions. Okay, this is part of the transplanter machine. This has to move up and down, so to have its planting mechanism. So this will pick down the seedlings. Here we put it all together using with the use of two horizontal connector to make it as one. Connect it as one for
So
every
guys,
three of them. Three forks.
here now our fork. This is a continuation of the part 1 of fork making. This is just a part of our rice planter machine making. Okay, there it goes. Every one of them uh, we have attached this every single fork into this horizontal support connector to have them uh, attached with and to form a part like this. It's one of these composed of 3 single fork. Yeah, okay. So but we will be able to make a 6 line of rice seedling planter. That's why we come up with two of which we're going to assemble this in a single line like this, but in different side, one on the right and one on the left. Okay. Pursuing the distance of approximately 15 centimeter to 16.5 centimeter. Okay, this one we just have to have space in here, so we'll be able to have space for the installation of the mount if the time come to we're going to install the engine that will be used to power up this our simple project. So now that's it. This fork is just made of this
This is made up of 1.5 millimeter thickness
square tube bought in our local hardware store nearby, and I just have to have a sort of cut here that resembles a fork, although we can buy some of these ready-made fork on online stores, but I prefer to just build my own fork using this material bought on the local store. So I have finished this one. I opted to have this DIY fork because I want to have a less expenses with regards to bolts and nuts if ever I opted to buy online fork, because we have to attach in here using their holes. We have to attach the ready-made fork online, bought online, that we have to have a hole in here, 2 holes every each one of them, so we could attach the ready-made fork using bolts and nuts. Okay, so that's the reason, first reason, I tried to make it DIY fork, so I could be having much less expense with regards of installing this fork together on this connector. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please continue for the next video. Thank you so much.